Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. So as I promised to provide a daily quiz for ARI wallet, so today we are going to answer it together with you. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So let's go together. Let's click on testnet. So we are going to collect our daily check-in, which is plus 30 ARI token. So congratulations, we have get it. So let's go for a quiz. So here it is. So which is not an advantage of it of head from stake. So various consortium algorithm. So the question. So the answer here it is, without making the video long. So it is number 3, which is C. Let's click on checking. So congratulations, we have clicked on the correct answer. So here it is. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.